Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. You guys are always asking me about my makeup routine, about my face, how I look young. I am 43 and literally it takes me about 2 minutes to put makeup on because I don't wear a lot. I like to be a bit natural. So, I thought I'd show you. This is how I wake up. We're all the same. We're all human, So this is how I wake up. This is the morning. It's very early. I've got no makeup on. I've just had a shower, washed my face. I'm croaky. So, I'm like this in the morning because I'm picking up on energies. So I'm going to show you how I put my makeup on in like 2 seconds. Well, not 2 seconds, but like 2 minutes. So I'm not going to show you brands, I just use a foundation, but this is more like a BB cream. So, I just put the BB cream on here like this, all over my face, and then I rub it in. This is all I do. It's just like putting moisturiser on. Oh, and it gives you face massage as well. That's the thing I like about it, It gives me a face massage. So it kind of rejuvenates my face at the same time. So I give it a little massage. As you can see, I don't use much at all, I like to be a bit natural. So that's now on, which took me not long at all. And I use a powder. And I just put a bit of powder on, like this. That's pretty much my face done. That's all I do. And then I use a lipstick. And this is true, this is how I do it. I'm not like joking. And a bit of eyeshadow. This is exactly how I do it. I hope I'm putting it on right because this isn't really a camera, but yeah, that's all right. That'll do. This is like if I'm going out. If I go out, I just put like a little bit of mascara on as well, not much. But my makeup routine is the same, whether I'm in the day or at night, So I put a little bit of powder on like that. Eyeshadow, and then I've got an eyeliner. I use like a blue because it brings out the colour of my eyes. So this is the bit that I probably won't be able to do properly because I can't see. Yeah, I've just broke it off. How am I going to do this? I have got a mirror here. Let me just get this mirror. It's very hot in this room. The angels are saying, just do it, Liz. Just do it. Just do it. There you go. They are looking after me. I'm probably going to come off camera and it's all going to be up my face because, usually I'm doing this in a mirror. I'll probably look like a clown. I'll probably look like, oh no, it's actually not too bad to be honest. Let's put a bit on here. Hope this is entertaining your morning. Yeah, don't let me just check. I've got a mirror here, so just have a check. Yeah, that's perfect. That's how I have it. Dead simple. It only took a bit longer then because I couldn't see what I was doing. And then I use like an eyebrow pencil. I'll probably put these on like a clown now. There we go. I just put a bit of, because I've got really fine eyebrows. See? Just enhanced it a little bit. There we go. Actually not too bad. There you go. So I just check in the mirror. Yeah, I'm ready to go, and that's it. That is all I do. And then I've got huge hair, so I've just washed it, and then I'll just perhaps get a clip, like this, and I just kind of grab all my hair. Sometimes it's different when I have it straightened. I have it straightened at the hairdressers because it's so thick, I can't do it myself. And I just clip it up. And that's me ready for the day. There you go. So now I'm going to get changed and record YouTube. So 4 minutes and 40 seconds. That's how easy it is. And I was talking for the first minute and a half. So that's how easy it is to put makeup on. So I hope you've enjoyed this a little bit to show you that it's nothing special, you know, and we're all beautiful without makeup anyway. We don't need any of that, you know. We're all unique and special and perfect just the way we are. So have a beautiful day. I love you all lots, and I'll see you soon.